What's happening, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Adam. This is Vancity Audi. We're back at the one and only Audi Kelowna because we have this incredible one of 999 sold in Canada 2018 Audi R8 RWS. This is a rear-wheel drive model, but that's not what makes it special. It is equipped with an FI exhaust, and they have told me it's one of the best sounding R8s they've ever heard. So this video is not gonna be a bunch of me talking, it's gonna be a lot of this thing making noise. So we'll get you a cold start, we'll get you some cool images of the vehicle, and we'll get you a ton of that amazing FI exhaust on this 2018 Audi R8 RWS. This for sure is one of the loudest exhausts I've heard on startup. That is obscenely loud. Now it's dialed back down. It's calming itself before we take it out to hear what it sounds like at wide open throttle. There you have it, guys. One of the coolest sounding cars I've ever had the privilege of driving. This crazy ass 5.2 liter V10 in these R8 sounds amazing. Throw on that FI exhaust, it sounds even better. I hope you guys enjoyed the lack of my talking and my voice in this video and a lot of those amazing sounds coming out of that R8. Thank you so much to Audi Kelowna for the invite to share this content with the world. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, guys, take care.